The chimney sweeper. Question is, write a note on the personal essay with reference to Charles Lamb's The Praise of Chimney Sweeper. So the answer will be, the word essay is derived from the Latin word energium, which means weighing or balancing. Full stop. Montaigne was the first essayist who used the word essay in 1580. Full stop. He defined it as a trial or attempt. Full stop. On the other hand, Dr. Johnson defined an essay is uh, a lost celly of mind, an irregular, indigested piece, comma, not a regular and orderly performance. Full stop. But Haig Walker considered Johnson's definition as vague and negative, and too narrow and precise to embrace all essay so-called. Full stop. So, in a broad sense, the term essay means writing to instruct, to persuade, to convert, or to convey experience or reality. Full stop. Next paragraph. The traditional division of the essay has been between formal and informal. Full stop. The formal essay is usually impersonal with the author, comma, writing as an authority on the subject and expounding it in an ordered and thorough fashion. Full stop. It is also characterized by seriousness of purpose, dignity, logical organization, and length. Full stop. An informal or personal essay, on the other hand, is one in which the author assumes a tone of intimacy with the reader, comma, concerning himself with everyday things rather than with public affair on a specialized topic, and writing in a relaxed, self-revelatory, and often whimsical fashion. Full stop. Next paragraph. Charles Lamb is the most outstanding exponent of the personal essay in English, who found in his own recollection, comma, opinion and reflection as Marshall for nearly all his essays. Full stop. Lamb's personality and his unconventional way of life, comma, his lack of concern for conventional order meet him well suited for the personal essay. Full stop. Like Montaigne, comma, the essay of Lamb's are personal and autobiographical. Full stop. They are egoistical, full stop. They are subjective in character, comma. Each essay of Lamb's is a fragment of the spiritual history of his inner life, full stop. Next paragraph. The praise, the praise of chimney sweeper is one of the finest of Lamb's essay, full stop. This is a deeply personal essay, full stop. Lamb here talks as much about himself but about chimney sweeper, full stop. We get an insight into Lamb's mind and nature. The personal pronoun I is used throughout, but the kind of egotism that we find in this essay is charming and not irritating. Lamb's write, I like to meet a sweep, understand me, not a ground sweeper. Old chimney sweeper are by no means attractive. Again. Next paragraph. I have a kindly yearning towards this dim speaks uh, hyphen poor blots hyphen innocent blackness hyphen the personality of Lamb shines through these essays, and it is very attractive personality, comma, indeed his advocacy of the unfortunate class of young chimney sweeper endure him to us. Lamb so persuasively does, comma, he speak in their behalf that we readily began to share his sentiments with regards to them. Full stop. Next paragraph. The praise of chimney sweeper is a memorable essay, chiefly because of the feelings of humanity which pervades it. Full stop. The essay shows Lamb's essential kindness and generosity towards the poor, comma, especially the children, writing about the young chimney sweepers. Full stop. Lamb says that he has a deep sympathetic liking for this small black creature, comma, black with the soot of many chimneys. Full stop. He described their youth as blackness in a number of terms in his characteristics iterative manner. Full stop. He has a deep respect for these young stars, comma, though They are children of the white-skinned English people, comma, they have an appearance of the Negroes of Africa, full stop. According to Lamps, the sweepers wear black dresses like clergymen, and they preach morality to the people from the tops of the chimney, which are their pulpit for their preaching. Next paragraph. Apart from the knowledge we get of Lamb's